Hi, I'm Thomas Rohlfs and I'm an illustrator. I've had the pleasure to work with clients all over the world, for example, AKQA. I also enjoy working on personal projects to get my work out there. Stick figures. I'm 99% sure that everybody has drawn them in the past. So we can agree that we've all practiced character illustration before. Believe it or not, this is an amazing exercise to draw full body poses. I'm in no way an expert when it comes to drawing anatomy, there's no need to. I use different methods. I've gathered them throughout my career to draw all kinds of poses. Imagination is your biggest ally. The key is to translate movements to just lines. This is the foundation to capture the rhythm, essence and gestures of the character you have in mind. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to bring digital character illustration to life, really giving them a soul, all from scratch. I'll share my tips and tricks during my entire illustration process. For the final project, you will design your very own character in a dynamic pose, including outfits and accessories. In order to achieve that, we will review some drawing techniques that will help you understand how to make dynamic and energetic characters. Then you'll learn how to set up Photoshop to work more efficiently. In the next step, we'll find many references for our character and create a mood board. Then you will move on to sketching your character. You will start with the pose, then add the outfit and gear. After rendering, we'll add color, some final touches, and there you go. It's ready. Next, we'll explore some fun ideas to use your newly made character. There's always room for improvement. I will share with you tips and ideas to take your creativity to the next level. At the end of this course, you'll be able to draw any character you desire using Photoshop or your favorite illustration software. Basic knowledge of human anatomy can be helpful, but it's not necessary. You only need to be familiar with your preferred drawing software. Or, if you want to, you can do the whole course with pencil and paper. Learn to draw dynamic characters that look as if they're just about to step off the canvas.